How you doing, boss? Am I doing a little bit of drinking?
Mm-hmm.
A little bit of tweaking?
No.
No? Yeah, that's the wrong answer. Hey, do me a favor. Hold on to this. Yeah, just keep that over there. Hey, do me a favor, hold this too. Yeah, that'd be great. Yeah, just hold on to this too if you don't mind. Yeah, just, hey, if you don't mind, just put that in your pocket or something. Just, shove that in your pocket if you don't mind. That'd be great. Do me a favor, hold that. Ah, perfect.
Code 13, I need backup right away, right away!
All right, buddy, well, it was good to meet you. You have a great day, and thanks again, all right?
Nigga!